Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Google app on your Windows computer or laptop. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So apart from having the app on your smartphone, you can also download Google app straight to your personal computer or desktop. To do this, open any browser. For my case here, I'm on Chrome browser, and then search for Google app, just like that. And if you run the search, first you'll see we have the Google app on Google Play. We don't want that. So what we're interested in is Google for desktop. So if I scroll down, you can see we have this option, Google app for desktop. I'll click on it, and this will take us to this desktop version where you can see we have an option to download the app, and you're told ask anything with the Google app for desktop. Now to get this app, just click on download the app, and this will download the app straight away. You can see it is here, it is in progress. And once it is downloaded, we have to open, allow, and then install. So I'll go to the file setup. It has already been downloaded here. Now I'll double click on it to run the installer. So if I double click on it, now the installer will go ahead, launch. And here initialization is on and begin the download. So all the files necessary are being gathered and downloaded, and this just takes some few seconds. And now it is complete, and then the installation will begin shortly. And look at that, the installation is in progress. Now the installation is done. Once the installation is done, you should see the shortcut here for the Google app. You can now open it by just double clicking on it to launch the app, sign in, and start browsing with this powerful Google app. So that's how you can download and install Google app on your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.